In our rapidly evolving world, the future of integrating robots across various sectors is reshaping industries and redefining the nature of work. From the bustling floors of the manufacturing plant to the serene hall of the educational institution, and from the high-stake realm of banking to the nurturing environment of healthcare facilities, robots and AI are making their presence felt. While they bring efficiency and innovation, they also raise a question about the future of employment and human livelihood. In this series, we will examine 10 jobs that will be impacted by this technology. But before we delve into this topic, if you enjoy the content of this video, please remember to subscribe, activate the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up. Presented here are 10 jobs expected to undergo significant impact due to the emergence of robotics. While some of these impacts are already noticeable, their full extent is yet to be felt. Thus, we've chosen to highlight these 10 jobs. Number 1. Salesperson's job. Imagine this sleek humanoid robot stepping in to assist customers in store. They will be capable of answering queries, making product recommendations, and even managing checkout. Essentially, it is like to having a highly intelligent assistant. However, it is worth considering that this could potentially reduce the demand for human presence in the sales floor. Number 2. Job in the manufacturing sector. Robots are transforming the manufacturing landscape by taking over tasks previously done by humans. For instance, industrial robots such as Fanuc are adept at handling assembling and welding duty. Collaborative robots like UR3 can seamlessly work along humans on assembly lines. Autonomous mobile robots like MIR efficiently transform materials within factory, while automated guided vehicle AVGs like Kaku KMP 1500 effortlessly move materials between workstations. Number 3. Telemarketers and call center agents job. Picture this. Imagine sleek humanoid robots taking over telemarketing and call center duty. They can smoothly handle customers' inquiry and sales pitches, making the process efficient. This could also mean fewer opportunities for us humans in this role. Also picture these bots in the telemarketing sector and a call center agent expert handling inquiries and pitches with lightning speed. It is already happening because many of us have received calls from these bots, right? Number 4. Banking sector job. Imagine this automated humanoid robot taking on transactions, account inquiries, and basic banking service. They are reshaping banking, potentially replacing human tellers. Examples include interactive kiosks like NCR, self-SAR for self-service transaction, humanoid robots like SoftBank Pepe offering customers assistance, chatbots like IPsoft, Amelia aiding with an online inquiries, and robotic process automation software, streamlining backend processes. Additionally, your mobile banking app plays a role in reshaping the banking experience, making banking accessible for everyone. Number 5. Receptionist job. Get ready for a revolution in event staffing with humanoid robots stepping in to handle tasks, especially from managing setup to assisting guests and ensuring smooth operation. They will do it all. This shift is exemplified by Pepe, a humanoid robot taking over receptionist role by greeting visitors, answering inquiries, and managing appointments with remarkable efficiency. Number 6. Taxi and transportation job. Autonomous vehicles are positioned to replace taxi driver, providing efficient transportation without the need for human intervention. Leading companies such as Waymo, Tesla, Uber, Lyft, and Cruise are at the forefront of this technology. Their self-driving car employ advanced sensor and AI algorithm to navigate roads safely. As this transition unfolds, traditional driving job will undergo significant impact. Number 7. Healthcare jobs. In healthcare, robots are set to revolutionize roles by potentially taking over some tasks typically carried out by humans. For example, surgical robots such as Da Vinci surgical system assisting surgeons in performing precise, minimally invasive procedures. Telepresence robots facilitate remote patient monitoring and consultation, reducing the need for in-person visits. Pharmacy robots automate tasks like medication dispensing and inventory management. Robotic exoskeleton aid in the rehabilitation of patients with mobility impairment. Additionally, automated diagnostic systems enhance diagnostic capabilities for analyzing medical image and lab tests. Number 8. Security guard jobs. Robots are positioned to replace some tasks of security guards, enhancing efficiency and safety. Examples include Night Scope K5 robots equipped with sensors for surveillance, Cobalt Robotics, security robots providing monitoring and anomaly detection, Boston Dynamics, sport robots for patrolling and inspection, and Eva Robotics, autonomous mobile robot for indoor surveillance and monitoring. Farm laborers' job. Robots are changing the game in agriculture sector, possibly taking over tasks traditionally done by human workers. Think of drone for monitoring crops and spraying, robotic arm for harvesting fruit and vegetables, autonomous tractor for planting and plowing, and robotic weeder for precise weed controls. This technology boosts efficiency in the agriculture sector. Number 10. Education assistant job. Robots are reshaping education, potentially taking over duties typically handled by human education assistants. Take humanoid robots like Pepe, for instance, which assist in tutoring and class activities. There are also educational robots like Dash and Dot, focusing on coding and STEM education. Additionally, AI-powered tutoring system offers personalized learning experience, while virtual assistants provide support and administrative tasks and student inquiry. In summary, as robots revolutionize various sectors such as manufacturing, security, healthcare, banking, and education, they bring forth a wave of fresh opportunities to human workers. By taking on repetitive tasks, robots allow humans to dedicate their time for creativity, innovation, and more valuable work. This transition will drive the emergence of new industry and also promote entrepreneurship and lifelong learning. By embracing this technological progress, humans can strive in the future where collaboration between humans and machines create the way for parallel growth and prosperity. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this series. If you enjoyed the content of this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share with friends. Feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. My name is Phillips. See you in the next video.